Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arika Salsabila and in this video I will explain about Istana Siak Sri Indrapura as intercultural based English language teaching material. This presentation discusses how local culture can be integrated into English learning through intercultural perspective. In these sections, I will explain the learning objectives. After learning this material, we are expected to understand intercultural communicative competence, describe Istana Siak as part of Riau Malay culture, compare local, target, and global culturals, and develop English speaking skills toward cultural learning. Next, introduction to the topic. Culture plays an important role in language learning. English is not only about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding values, identity, and ways of thinking. In this presentation, I use Istana Siak Sri Indrapura as an example of local culture integrated into English language learning. Okay, next, local culture Istana Siak Sri Indrapura. Istana Siak Sri Indrapura is one of the most important historical heritage in Riau Province. It represents the glory of the Siak Sultanate and Malay Islamic identity. Today, it functions as a cultural tourism site and an educational historical place. Okay, next, historical background. Istana Siak was built during the time of the Siak Sultanate. It was used as a center of government, royal activities, and traditional ceremonies. This shows how the Malay Kingdom developed its political and cultural system. Okay, next, architectural characteristic. The characteristic of Istana Siak is unique because it combines Malay, Islamic, and European styles. The building is symmetrical and majestic. It also reflects cultural interaction from different civilizations in the past. Okay, cultural values. Istana Siak reflects many cultural values, such as respect for history, Islamic values, politeness in Malay culture, and strong collective identity. It also represents the importance of preserving cultural heritage for future generations. Okay, next, the function of Istana Siak today. Today, Istana Siak functions as a museum and tourism destination. It is also used as an educational site to learn about history and culture. In addition, it becomes a symbol of Riau regional identity. Okay, next, target culture. In English learning, target culture usually refers to English-speaking countries. In this presentation, Buckingham Palace is used as a comparison. It helps students understand differences and similarities between cultures. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British monarchy. It is a symbol of the British royal family and national identity. It is also used for official ceremonies and attracts tourists from around the world. Okay, next, global culture. From a global perspective, palaces are not only royal buildings, they are also world cultural heritage. Examples include Palace of Versailles, Forbidden City, Buckingham Palace, and Istana Siak itself. Okay, next, cultural comparison. If we compare them, Istana Siak represents Malay culture and Islamic values. Buckingham Palace represents British monarchy and national tradition. Meanwhile, Global Palace represents cultural heritage and tourism value worldwide. All of them show how culture shapes identity differently. Okay, next, intercultural analysis. From this comparison, we can see that every culture has its own way of expressing power and identity. Istana Siak reflects local Malay Islamic identity, while Buckingham Palace reflects modern monarchy tradition. Both of them show that building can represent cultural meaning. Okay, next, ELT Activity 1. In the first activity, students describe cultural heritage in English. They observe picture of Istana Siak, write vocabulary, and create a short descriptions. This helps students practice speaking and vocabulary in context. Next, ELT Activity 2. In this activity, Students do role play between a tour guide and a tourist. They practice asking and answering questions about Istana Siak. This activity improves speaking confidence and communication skills. Next, ELT Activity 3. In this activity, students discuss cultural comparison. They compare Istana Siak with Buckingham Palace and reflect on cultural difference. Then they create a short conclusion in English. Digital resource. There are many digital resources that can support learning, such as documentary videos, photos, official tourist websites, Google Maps, and YouTube. These resources make learning more interactive and meaningful. Next, reflection. From this topic, we learned that language and cultural cannot be separated. Learning English becomes more meaningful when connected to local identity. Istana Siak helps students understand both language and cultural awareness. In conclusion, Istana Siak Sri Indrapura is an important cultural heritage of Riau. It can be used as learning material in English education with intercultural approach. This helps students connect local, target, and global cultures in language learning. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this presentation can give useful insight about intercultural learning in English education. I'm Adika Salsabila. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.